How to send files, large video and high resolution photo as document in WhatsApp. So open WhatsApp, then select a chat or contact. Then below where is mentioned, type a message. Chat box, there is a paperclip icon, select that. Note this audio video post uploaded for learning and informational purpose, and check description also. Then select document option. Here will be shows some document list, and in top right corner there is magnifying glass icon for search. If your document or file is not available in this list, select browse other docs. Here will show some recent files, and in left side menu their options are available: recent, drive, images, videos, audio, downloads, internal storage and more. Note it may look different, it depends on smartphone model, version and user interface. From this list, select any option and then select your file or document which you want to send. Select on that file name, then select send. It may take some time. It depends on upload speed of internet connectivity and file size. Thanks for watching or listening, and share your feedback also. This is Abhi Videos Digital, a YouTube channel.